Okay, so now we're going to talk a little more about the pyroclastic texture. So a pyroclastic texture is different from the glassy and the basaltic, the aphanitic texture, in that it is indicative of a really explosive event. So when you see a pyroclastic texture, what you're looking for is a fragmented texture. So if you see in this example down at the bottom right, you can see that those little pink pieces there, those are actually pieces of pumice that have been exploded into the air, and then as they've fallen down, they've been embedded in ash, and then as the ash has piled up on top, the weight of it has crushed the pumices flat. So you can get these giant piles of ash, as shown in the background there, these cliff-high ash rock sequences that have experienced a tremendous amount of weight sitting on top of the lower beds. That weight has then crushed those pumices. If you have a pyroclastic texture that is composed only of ash-sized fragments or smaller, the size of your thumb or so or smaller, then that particular rock is going to be called a tuff, which I've got in bold there. So these rocks are usually pretty easy to break. Sometimes they're cemented better. But the real characteristic is that they've got fragmented pieces of pumice and other ash that are present inside a ash cemented matrix.